How to log in into Temu account. Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can log in into the Temu account, so without any delay let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. First thing is, you may just download the Temu application onto your device, which is easily available on Google Play Store. After that, you just need to launch the app on your device, and it may take a few seconds to load. You may just accept this privacy and cookie settings. After that, you'll be able to see this kind of interface on your home screen. So in order to log in into your Temu account, you just need to tap on this U section at the bottom, and here you'll be receiving a gift. I'm just gonna cancel it for now. Right now. And here you can see this continue with Google, Facebook, email and phone number. So if you have created an account with any of this, you may just tap on it and log in using your username and password, or it will redirect you to their page very easily when you tap on one of these options. So I have created my account with Google, so I'm just gonna log in using my Google account here. And after I have selected my account, it will directly redirect me to the Temu account very easily. I have easily logged in into my account, so therefore just follow the steps and you should also be able to log in into your Temu account very easily. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.